Good day everyone, good day Mamiyan. I'm Delbert Jan Elindo from BEd 2A. Today I will be discussing about instructional design models. Number 4, Merrill's Principles of Instruction. Who is David Merrill? Educational researcher and teacher. He studied various instructional design theories and models to identify a number of principles common to each. From Merrill's research, he established 5 instructional design principles that can be applied when designing any program or practice to achieve effective and efficient instruction. 5 instructional design principles. Problem-centered. Learning is promoted when learners are engaged in solving real-world problems. These tasks or problems should activate and engage the student's knowledge. Challenges that work best for acquiring new knowledge and skills should be rooted in the real world and ideally as tailored to each individual learners as possible. Show tasks, provide a work example of the task that learners will complete. Task level. Ensure learners engage at the problem and task levels as well as the operation or action level. Problem progression. Begin with a basic problem, then build the complexity to scaffold learning. Examples. Bring up examples from experience, use case, studies, share real-world problems, or tasks like how to make PowerPoint presentation. Next, Principle 2, Activation. Learning is promoted when instruction activates existing knowledge. Everyone's previous experience is different. Some students might not have a solid foundation for new knowledge. Others might have covered similar material before and feel bored. It also helps activate the mental models necessary to efficiently absorb new knowledge and skills. Previous experience. Tap into learners' existing knowledge and experiences. New experience. Ensure tasks are engaging, interesting, and authentic. Structure. Begin with a basic problem, then build the complexity to scaffold learning. The examples of this is quiz, existing knowledge, provide extra materials for students without much knowledge on the subject matter of a course or module, or offer to skip section for students with a lot of knowledge on the subject matter of a course or module. Experience like step-by-step hands-on on how to create PowerPoint. Next, Principle 3, Demonstration. Learning is promoted when instruction includes demonstrations. Show, don't tell is an effective teaching technique for a reason. When teacher gives examples for new concepts, visualize processes, and models behavior, it's easier for students to absorb new information. Demonstration consistency. Provide content with demonstration and examples that reflect the learning outcomes. Learner guidance. Provide multiple representations of ideas, concepts, and perspectives. Relevant media. Ensure media supports effective learning. Then examples of this is conducting experiments, engage in discussions, leverage multiple mediums. Another example is how to use transitions and every slides in PowerPoint. Then in Principle 4, application learning is promoted when instruction provides opportunities for application. True learning is facilitated when hands-on problem solving is guided through feedback and an appropriate level of coaching, which should decrease as the learner's skills grow. Then Practice consistency. Aligned practice activates when learning outcomes, then diminishing coaching. Gradually withdraw coaching to build learner independence. Varied problems. Provide opportunities for learners to apply their learning to different contexts. Example of these are prepare tasks and exercises, create theme-based assignments, ask practical questions, then for example PowerPoint presentation without teacher's help because our teacher already demonstrated it. Principle 5. Integration learning is promoted when instruction supports integration into the real world. The integration of new knowledge into the learner's life or having an opportunity to publicly demonstrate their new skills. Integration Integration could mean working on real projects, analyzing case studies, testing hypotheses, or solving actual problems. When students are able to demonstrate improvement, they become even more motivated to progress. Watch me provide opportunities for learners to demonstrate and share their learning. Then reflection. Include reflection activities to recognize progress. Creation. Encourage learners to transfer their learning to their own lives. The examples of this are encourage students to start new projects, help students identify and reach professional or personal goals. They can create their own for example, they can create their own PowerPoint that have a beautiful and amazing slides. They integrate their knowledge and skills in making PowerPoint presentation. They reflect they reflect their past experiences in making slides.